All right, here's how to play Revelation song on guitar, where you can play along with the lyric video that has 13 million views on YouTube. All right, it's kind of like an orange and yellow lyric video, and it starts with 8 beats of D, and then you'll just go through the D, A minor, C to G progression. All right, D, A minor, C to G progression. 4 beats each, but we'll start the whole song with 8 beats of D, all right? So it'll sound like this. D, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Worthy is the, and then A minor, Lamb who was slain, to C. Holy, holy is he, G, 2, 3, 4, D. Sing a new song, A minor, to him who sits on, to C. Heaven's mercy, C, 2, 3, 4. Okay, pause right there. Before you go any further, if you have any trouble getting from D to A minor, just practice that like a lot of times, dozens of times. Just do D, 2, back and up, A minor, 2, back to D, D, 2, A minor here, 2, okay? And then remember that from A minor to C, to save trouble and time, just stretch that third finger up, C. Tuck it in for A minor, stretch it up to the 3rd fret on the A string for C, okay? And if you can't get to the G chord easily from C, which is a hard transition, and you should definitely practice that as much as possible, then just use your easy G with 4 strings, okay? And then you get back to D. Sing a new song, try to jump in, to him who sits on C. Heaven's mercy, C. Back to D. Holy, 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 A minor, is the Lord God Almighty, to C. Who was and is to come. With all creation I sing praise to the King of Kings. See, you are my everything, and I will adore you. C and down, up, down, up, down, up, G, down, up, down, up, down, up. Clothed in rainbows. Try to give yourself some variety with your strumming, holding out your strums like this. 2, 3, 4, G, 2, building up to blessing and honor, strength and glory and power be to you, the only wise King. Holy, holy, holy is the Lord God Almighty, who was and is to come. Deep with all creation I sing praise to the King of Kings. You are my everything, and I will adore you. 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, end with D. Okay, that's a really good warm-up. That's not the whole song, but it's more than half of it. So if you could do that, keep up on this video, keep working at different things that you need to work on, whether it be getting to your chords on time, emptying out strums so you can get to the chords on time, getting your progressions down, or working on different strum patterns so the whole song doesn't sound the same and gets really boring. You need to work on different strum patterns, either holding it out, strum on the down, or strum down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, or down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. There's a lot of different strum patterns that you probably have on a strum sheet, or that you could look up, or you could even invent, as long as your strum pattern lasts 4 beats per chord. Good job on Revelation Song, and have fun playing with the lyric video.